In this video, we'll show you how you can improve the audio quality in the Audacity app in 1 minute. So for this, you will need to record your audio as usual first. The only change you need to do is don't say anything for the first 5 seconds of the recording. So leave the first 5 seconds empty. This will help you remove the noise later. Once you have recorded your audio as usual, it should look something like this. Now here press Ctrl+A to select the entire audio file. Now go to the Effect tab at the top. Go to Volume and Compression and then choose Amplify from the list. Now leave the values as they are and then hit Apply. Now go to the Effect tab again. Now go to Volume and Compression and this time select Compressor. Now again leave the values as they are and then hit Apply. Now go to the Effect tab for the third time, and this time you will need to go to EQ and Filters. Now select Filter Curve EQ. Now in this window, go to the Preset menu. Now go to Factory Presets and then choose Bass Boost. Now hit Apply again. Now go to the Effect tab again. Go to EQ and Filters and then Filter Curve. Now go to Preset and this time select Treble Boost. Now hit Apply again. Now finally go to the Effect tab for the third time. Go to EQ and Filters, Filter Curve, and this time you need to select Low Roll-Off for speech and then hit Apply. Now your audio is ready. The only thing that's left to do is remove the noise. So you'll select first 5 seconds of the video where you haven't said anything. Now go to Effect, go to Noise Removal and Repair and then choose Noise Reduction. Now here select Get Noise Profile. So this will help Audacity learn what is the background noise where you haven't said anything. Now select the entire audio. Go to the Effect tab, go to Noise Removal and then choose Noise Reduction again and then click OK. So your audio is now basically ready. You can remove the first 5 seconds and your audio is ready for exporting. This should make your audio sound like it's from a studio quality mic. So this is the easiest way to improve audio quality in Audacity. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.